So if you have been looking for a legitimate way to make money online, and I mean real money, not some survey scam that pays you 50 cents after 3 hours of your life, then you need to stop what you are doing right now and pay close attention to this video, because I am about to show you a platform called Toloka, and by the time this video is done, you are going to know exactly how to sign up, exactly what kind of tasks you will be doing, exactly how you will be getting paid, and exactly what you need to do to make the most money possible on this platform. So make sure you watch this all the way through, because I am going to be giving you tips that most people do not talk about, and those tips are going to be the difference between you making good money on Toloka and you leaving the platform frustrated after 2 days. Welcome to Daily Stab Media, your go-to source for sharp insights, trending stories, and real talk that cuts through the noise. Here, we break down the latest in tech, AI, online opportunities, then digital hustle, so you stay informed and ahead. If you're ready for content that's bold, practical, and straight to the point, you're in the right place. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment to help turn the algorithm in our favor. Let's dive in. Now, the very first thing I want you to understand about Toloka is what this platform actually is, because a lot of people hear the word microtasking and they immediately think it is not worth their time. They think it is one of those platforms where you work for 3 hours and you make $3. And look, I understand that concern. I have been on platforms like that before and it is honestly demotivating. But Toloka is different, and I want to explain to you why it is different and why I am covering it on this channel. Toloka is a crowdsourcing platform that was originally developed by Yandex, which is essentially the Russian equivalent of Google, one of the biggest tech companies in the world. And what Toloka does is it connects businesses and AI companies with real human workers all over the world who can complete small digital tasks. These businesses need humans to help them train their artificial intelligence models, evaluate their AI outputs, label their data, annotate their images, basically all the behind-the-scenes human work that makes AI smarter. And they are willing to pay for it. That is where you come in. You are called a Toloka on this platform, and your job as a Toloka is to complete these tasks and get paid for each one you complete correctly. Now here is the thing that makes Toloka genuinely exciting to talk about on this channel. This platform is available globally. I need you to hear that. Globally. It does not matter if you are in Nigeria, Kenya, Argentina, the Philippines, Spain, India, the USA, the UK, Saudi Arabia, wherever you are watching this from right now, you can sign up for Toloka and start working. That is a big deal because so many of the AI training platforms I cover on this channel are restricted to certain countries, and I always get comments asking, what about those of us in Africa? What about those of us in Southeast Asia? What about those of us in South America? Well, Toloka is your answer today. This is a global opportunity. And the other thing that makes Toloka attractive is that you do not need any strong specific educational qualification to get started. You do not need a degree. You do not need years of experience. You do not need to know how to code. You just need internet access, attention to detail, and the willingness to follow instructions carefully. That is it. That is your entry requirement. So irrespective of your background, irrespective of your education level, irrespective of which country you are watching this from, you are qualified to work on Toloka and start making money. Now let me talk about the sign-up process, because this is where a lot of people get confused or make mistakes that slow them down. Let me walk you through it step by step so that you can hit the ground running. After your profile is set up, the next step is to complete your training tasks. Now a lot of people hear the word training and they start to panic a little bit. They think it is like an exam they can fail. But I want you to relax, because the training tasks on Toloka are not designed to trick you or to disqualify you. They are designed to help you understand how the platform works and to demonstrate that you can follow instructions. Every task on Toloka comes with detailed step-by-step guidance, so you are never just thrown into a task with zero information. You are always told exactly what to do. Take your time with the training tasks. Read through the instructions carefully. Do not rush. Because here is something very important I want you to understand about Toloka: your accuracy determines your pay rate. The more accurately you complete tasks, the higher your rating goes, and the higher your rating goes, the more tasks become available to you and the more money you can make. So right from the beginning, from the very first training task, develop the habit of doing it correctly rather than doing it quickly. Now let us talk about the actual tasks, because this is what you really want to know. What are you actually going to be doing on Toloka? And the beautiful thing about this platform is there is a genuine variety of tasks available, so there is something for almost everyone regardless of your strengths. The selfie task is designed to collect a diverse and high-quality set of facial images under controlled conditions. Participants are required to take 4 new selfies, including 2 indoor shots, 1 with proper lighting and 1 in a dark setting, and 2 outdoor shots with different backgrounds, such as a building and a natural environment. In addition, participants must upload archived selfies from different years, including at least 5 from various periods and another 5 from 5 or more years ago, with each clearly labeled by year. 2 document-style photos showing only the face, without any personal information, are also required. The task emphasizes strict adherence to quality and authenticity guidelines. All images must be clear, well-lit, and captured with a clean camera at a minimum resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. The participant's face must be fully visible, centered, and unobstructed, with no filters or accessories such as sunglasses or hats. Only original images of the participant are allowed, and no other individuals should appear in the frame. The process ensures reliable data collection, with submissions reviewed within up to 14 days. The practical information task focuses on recording high-quality, first-person videos of everyday household activities to support AI training in understanding hand movements. Participants are required to mount their phones in a stable, downward-facing position that captures a natural point of view angle, as if seen through their own eyes. Each recording must begin by displaying a clearly written assignment ID for 5 to 10 seconds, followed by at least 5 minutes of uninterrupted task performance within a single category such as cleaning, food preparation, or organizing. Strict technical and quality standards must be followed. Videos should be recorded in Full HD, 1920 by 1080, at 30 frames per second, in horizontal orientation, and without any edits, watermarks, or interruptions. Both hands must remain visible for most of the recording, and the footage should be steady and well lit. Only meaningful, productive household tasks are accepted, while idle or personal activities are prohibited. Privacy and compliance are critical. No faces, personal details, or identifying information should appear in the video. Submissions are typically reviewed within 10 to 30 minutes, and if rejected, participants have a limited window to correct and resubmit. When you are inside your profile, the first thing you want to do is add your languages. And I want you to pay very close attention to this tip. The languages you add to your profile directly determine how many tasks are available to you. So if you speak English and Spanish, add both. The next thing you want to do inside your profile is set up your payment method. Currently, the main payment method that Toloka supports for international workers is Payoneer. So if you do not already have a Payoneer account, you are going to need to go ahead and create one. Payoneer is a legitimate payment platform that works in a huge number of countries around the world, and once your Toloka earnings are sent to your Payoneer account, you can withdraw that money to your local bank account. So get your Payoneer account set up, link it to your Toloka profile, and now your payment pipeline is ready to go. Toloka UHRS tasks involve completing small, web-based microjobs that help improve search engines, AI models, and online services. These tasks typically include judging search results, categorizing content, validating data, and comparing web pages for relevance and accuracy. Accuracy, speed, and consistency are essential, as performance directly affects task availability and earnings. Workers must carefully follow guidelines for each task type to avoid spam flags or account suspension, making attention to detail a key success factor. UHRS pay rates are usually low, so do not focus on it. That's it for today's breakdown. If you found this helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. It really helps push the content and keeps more insights coming your way. Stay consistent, stay smart with these platforms, and focus on doing quality work the right way. I'll catch you in the next one with more practical tips on AI tasks and online earning. Stay ahead.